add an internal service to a budget. The advantages of implementing a list of internal services to a budget are obtaining more accurate budgets, obtaining sales values according to your resources' roles and categories, enabling or disabling services according to the budget's needs. Create an internal service. Within the Budgets module, in the Works section, click on Add. You can select a service that has already been uploaded or create a new one. Complete name, insert the corresponding tax and rate, add a description. In Sale Value, you can set the service price manually or automatically by activating the rate card. Choose the positions that will be involved in this service and adjust the estimated work hours. You will get the sales price calculated by COR. However, you will be able to modify it manually if you wish. Click Accept. You will see that the service has been uploaded. Quantity, unit price, and the total amount that includes the tax and fee. You can edit or delete it. Availability of services. In Internal Services, you will find the list of uploaded services. These can be disabled or enabled by entering the service detail and pressing Activate or Deactivate on the status switch or from the module. To remove a service, simply click on the icon.